Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Next one, the equation whose roots are radii of a ascribed circle is. Now R1, small r1, r2, r3 are the radii of a ascribed circles. The relation between r1, r2, r3. Now r1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is equal to 4R. R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 4R plus small r. Now sum of the roots R1, R2, R3 are the roots of the equation, means sum of the roots S1 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 4 into capital R plus small r. Okay, now equation 1. Next, R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1 is equal to S square. Now, sum and product of the roots taken 2 at a time. R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1 is equal to S square. Now, equation 2. Next, R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square. Now R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square by small r. Delta is equal to Rs. R square S square by small r. RR cancel RS square. Now S3 is equal to product of the roots. R1, R2, R3 is equal to RS square. Now the required equation is the required equation is x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 is equal to 0. Okay, now s1 value 4r plus r, x cube minus 4r plus r into x square. Okay, s2 value s square x minus s3 value small r s square is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation is x cube minus 4r plus r into x square plus s square x minus s square r is equal to 0. Second one is the correct one. Second one is the correct one. Next one, the perimeter of triangle ABC, right angled at C is 70 and in radius are given, then mod A minus B. Okay, right angled at C. Now let us consider a right angle triangle CAB. Now right angled at C means here small c, small a, small b. C square is equal to a square plus b square. C square is equal to a square plus b square. Perimeter are given 70. Now 2s is equal to 70. Now s is equal to 35. And also small r given, small r is equal to 6. Now delta is equal to small r s. Now small r value 6 into 35. Okay, now 210. Okay, delta value is 210. Now area of triangle delta is equal to half AB sin C. Half AB sin C. Now where angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Sin 90 value 1. 210 is equal to 1 by 2 into AB. Sin 90 value 1. Now AB is equal to 420. Now AB is equal to 420. Next one, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 70. Now A plus B is equal to 70 minus C. Squaring on both sides. Now A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 4900 plus C square minus 140C. Now C square is equal to A square plus B square. That value C square. Here C square and C square cancel. Now 2AB value. 2 into AB value 420. Now 840 is equal to 4900 minus 140C. Okay, now C is equal to 4060 by 140. Now C is equal to 29. C value is 29. Okay, next one, mod A minus B is equal to mod A minus B is equal to square root of A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, now A square plus B square means C square minus 2AB. Now C square means C value 29, 841 minus 2 into AB 840, square root of 1 is equal to 1. That value is 1. First option is the correct one. First option is the correct one. Next one, in triangle ABC, small r value 1, capital R value 4, delta value 8. Now find AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, now we know that small r into R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to AB plus BC plus CA minus S square. Is the R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 value is AB plus BC plus CA minus S square. Okay, relation between small r and R1, R2, R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is equal to 4R. Now R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus 1 is equal to 16. Capital R value is 4. 4 into 4, 16. Now R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 17. And also delta is equal to RS. Delta value are given, 8 is equal to 1 into S. Now S value is 8. Okay, small r value 1. 1 into R1 plus R2 plus R3 value 17 is equal to AB plus BC plus CA minus S square 64. Now AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 17 plus 64, 81. Therefore, second one is the correct one. Second one is the correct one. Next one, O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. R1, R2, R3 are the radii of a circumcircles. OBC, triangle OBC, triangle OCA, triangle OAB respectively. Now find the value A by R1 plus B by R2 plus C by R3. Now let us consider a triangle. Now ABC. O is the circumcenter. O is the circumcenter. Now angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 2 times of angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to 2A. Now angle BOC, that value 2A. Now here 2B is 1 2C. O is the circumcenter. O is the circumcenter. Then OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to R. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to R. Let R1, R2, R3. let R1, R2, R3 are the circumradii of triangle OBC, triangle OCA, triangle OAB respectively. Okay, next one, in triangle OBC. In triangle OBC, now here small a, this one small b, small c. Now apply sine rule from triangle OBC. A by sine 2a. A by sine 2a is equal to 2r1. Now a by r1 is equal to 2 sine 2a. A by r1 is equal to 2 sine 2a. Now similarly, b by r2 is equal to 2 sine 2b. C by R3 is equal to 2 sine 2c. Now A by R1 plus B by R2 plus C by R3. A by R1 plus B by R2 plus, now A by R1 plus B by R2 plus C by R3 is equal to 2 into 2 common sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Okay, now 2 into sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c value. Now according to transformations, 4 sine a, sine b, sine c. Okay, now 8 into sine a value a by 2r into b by 2r into c by 2r. 8 cancel. Now ABC by R cube. ABC by R cube. Second one is the correct one. Next one, the sum of the radii of a inscribed and circumscribed circles of an n sides of a regular polygon of side A is. Okay, what is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon which have equal sides as well as equal angles. In the regular polygon, circumcenter and incenter are same. Okay, now let us consider A, B, C, D are the sides of a regular polygon. A length small a, now angle BOC is equal to 2 pi by n. Now angle BOL is equal to half into 2 pi by n is equal to pi by n. Now here also angle pi by n and here also pi by n. BL a by 2 and also LC a by 2. From triangle BOL, in triangle BOL, sin pi by n is equal to, sin theta is equal to opposite side a by 2, and here also r, here also OB OC is equal to r. Now from triangle BOL, Sin pi by n is equal to a by 2 by r. A by 2 by r means a by 2r. A by 2r. Now small a is equal to 2r sin pi by n. Now r is equal to a by 2 into 1 by sin a by 2 into cosecant pi by n. And also from triangle BOL, tan pi by n is equal to a by 2, here small r, OL is equal to small r, a by 2 by r, a by 2r. Now small a is equal to 2r into tan pi by n. Now small r is equal to a by 2 into 1 by tan cot pi by n. Okay, now sum of small r plus capital R plus r. Small r plus capital R is equal to a by 2 common, here a by 2 common, cot pi by n plus cosecant pi by n, cot pi by n plus cosecant pi by n. Now a by 2 into cos pi by n by sin pi by n plus 1 by sin pi by n. Now a by 2 into 1 plus cos pi by n by sin pi by n. Now 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2, sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now a by 2 into 2 cos square pi by 2n by 2 sin pi by 2n cos pi by 2n. Square here cos cancel, cos pi by 2n by sin pi by 2n, a by 2 into cot pi by 2n. Now sum of the radii of a inscribed and circumscribed circles is a by 2 into cot pi by 2n. Second one is the correct one.